Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to build a Ford Ranger Prerunner. These trucks are purpose-built for tackling rough terrain at high speeds, often seen scouting race courses. We'll cover the essential modifications that transform a stock Ranger into a capable off-road machine. The Ford Ranger's robust frame and aftermarket support make it a fantastic starting point for such a project. Let's dive into the details of creating your ultimate Prerunner. The heart of any Prerunner is its suspension. You'll need a long travel kit to achieve significant wheel travel, often 15 inches or more, allowing your Ranger to absorb large impacts. High-quality coilover and bypass shocks are crucial for controlling that travel and providing a smooth ride. Don't forget to reinforce your control arms and add limit straps to prevent overextension and protect your components during aggressive driving.
Hey everyone, if you're enjoying this deep dive into building a Ford Ranger Prerunner, please hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome content. And speaking of staying ready for the trails, a quick recommendation. Staying hydrated is key, especially during intense off-road adventures. Grab an Oala water bottle to keep your drinks cold all day. You can find the link for it, along with other fantastic deals, in the description below. Now let's get back to the video.
A strong chassis is paramount for a Prerunner. Reinforce your Ranger's frame with gussets, especially around suspension mounting points, and consider a full roll cage for occupant safety. Upgrading to larger, 33 to 37-inch tires on wider wheels provides crucial traction and ground clearance. You'll also want to re-gear your differentials, often to a 4/56 or 4/88 ratio, to compensate for the larger tire diameter and maintain optimal engine performance. While not always the first step, engine modifications can significantly boost your Prerunner's performance. Basic tuning, cold air intakes, and exhaust upgrades can add noticeable power. For exterior protection, heavy-duty Prerunner bumpers and robust skid plates are essential to guard against impacts. Finally, equip your Ranger with ample LED light bars and pods to turn night into day, ensuring clear visibility on those fast desert runs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.